Welcome to Sweden, a beautiful country located in Northern Europe. It's known for its stunning natural landscapes, high quality of life, and commitment to human rights. Sweden welcomes people from all over the world. Many choose to make Sweden their new home because of its strong social safety net, excellent healthcare system, and free education. If you are considering immigrating to Sweden, you will find a welcoming and inclusive society ready to embrace your contributions. Sweden offers many opportunities for personal and professional growth. Whether you dream of pursuing a successful career, continuing your education, or reuniting with loved ones, Sweden provides a supportive environment for you to thrive. This guide will provide you with clear and concise information about the immigration and asylum processes in Sweden, empowering you to take the first step towards building a brighter future. Before we dive into the application process, it is important to understand the distinction between immigration and asylum. Immigration refers to the process of moving to another country to live and work permanently. People immigrate to Sweden for various reasons, such as employment opportunities, family reunification, or to pursue higher education. Asylum, on the other hand, is a form of protection granted to individuals who have fled their home country due to a well-founded fear of persecution. This persecution can be based on race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. If you are seeking asylum, Sweden offers a safe haven where your rights and dignity will be respected. Sweden has a thriving economy, known for its innovation, high quality of life, and strong social welfare system. With a high demand for skilled workers in various sectors, including technology, healthcare, engineering, and construction, Sweden offers numerous opportunities for professionals from around the world. If you are interested in working in Sweden, you will need to obtain a work permit. This permit is essential for legally working and residing in the country. The online application process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to make it as easy as possible for applicants to navigate. Step 1. Secure a job offer. This is the first and most crucial step in the process. Before you can apply for a work permit, you must first find a job in Sweden. This means actively searching for job openings that match your skills and qualifications. Start by exploring job boards, company websites, and professional networking platforms to identify suitable opportunities. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, and the Swedish Public Employment Service are great places to start. Once you have received a formal job offer from a Swedish employer, you can proceed with the application. Ensure that the job offer meets the requirements set by the Swedish Migration Agency. Step 2. Gather required documents. This step involves collecting all the necessary paperwork to support your application. To complete your application, you will need to gather several essential documents. These documents are crucial for verifying your identity, employment, and financial status. These typically include a valid passport, which must be current and not expired, your employment contract or job offer letter, educational qualifications such as degrees or certificates, and proof of financial means to support yourself during your stay in Sweden. This could include bank statements or other financial documents. Step 3. Complete the online application. This is where you will officially apply for your work permit. Visit the official website of the Swedish Migration Agency or Migrationsverket and locate the online application form for work permits. The website provides detailed instructions and guidelines to help you through the process. Carefully fill out the form, providing accurate and up-to-date information. Double-check all entries to avoid any mistakes that could delay your application. You will also need to pay the application fee online. Make sure to have a valid credit or debit card ready for this step. Step 4. Await a decision. After submitting your application, the waiting period begins. Once you have submitted your application and all supporting documents, the Swedish Migration Agency will review your case. They will assess your eligibility based on the information provided. Processing times can vary, so it is advisable to apply well in advance of your intended start date. Patience is key during this stage, as the review process can take several weeks or even months. If your application is successful, you will receive your work permit, allowing you to legally work and reside in Sweden. Congratulations on taking this significant step towards your new career in Sweden. Pursuing education. Navigating the student visa application process. Sweden is renowned for its world-class education system, offering a wide range of programs and courses for international students. From cutting-edge research opportunities to innovative teaching methods, Swedish universities provide an enriching environment for students from all over the globe. If you dream of studying in Sweden, you will need to apply for a student visa. This visa allows you to reside in Sweden for the duration of your studies, giving you the chance to immerse yourself in Swedish culture and education. The online application process is designed to be easy to follow. The Swedish Migration Agency has streamlined the steps to ensure that international students can navigate the process with ease and confidence. Step 1. Choose your program. Begin by exploring the various universities and programs available in Sweden. Each institution offers unique courses and specializations, so take your time to find the one that aligns with your academic and career aspirations. Research different universities and programs in Sweden to find the perfect fit for your academic goals. Consider factors such as course content, faculty expertise, campus facilities, and student support services. Once you have been accepted into a program, you will receive an official admission letter from the university. This letter is a crucial document for your visa application as it confirms your enrollment in a Swedish educational institution. Step 2. Gather necessary documents. To ensure a smooth application process, it is essential to gather all the required documents beforehand. This preparation will help you avoid any last-minute hassles. To complete your student visa application, gather the required documents. These documents serve as proof of your eligibility and readiness to study in Sweden. These usually include a valid passport, your university admission letter which confirms your acceptance into the program, proof of financial support for the duration of your studies, ensuring that you have the means to cover tuition fees, living expenses, and other costs, and proof of health insurance coverage. Health insurance is mandatory for international students in Sweden, providing you with access to medical care during your stay. Step 3. Submit your application online. The Swedish Migration Agency's website is your go-to resource for submitting your student visa application. Visit the Swedish Migration Agency's website and find the online application form for student visas. The website provides detailed instructions and guidelines to help you complete the form accurately. Fill out the form accurately and upload all the necessary documents. Double-check each entry to ensure that all information is correct and up to date. Remember to pay the application fee. The fee is a mandatory part of the application process and must be paid to proceed with your visa request. Step 4. Track your application status. After submitting your application, you can monitor its progress online. After submitting your application, you can track its progress online through your account on the Swedish Migration Agency's website. This feature allows you to stay updated on any changes or additional requirements. The processing time for student visas can vary, so it is best to apply early. Starting the process well in advance gives you ample time to address any issues that may arise. Once your visa is approved, you will receive notification. This is the moment you've been waiting for, marking the beginning of your exciting journey to study in Sweden. Reuniting families, bringing your loved ones to Sweden. Sweden recognizes the importance of family reunification and provides pathways for individuals to bring their loved ones to join them in Sweden. The process is designed to ensure that families can be together, fostering a supportive and loving environment for everyone involved. If you are a Swedish citizen or a resident permit holder, you can apply for family reunification. Step 1. Determine eligibility. This is a crucial first step, as it sets the foundation for the entire process. Check the Swedish Migration Agency's website to understand the eligibility criteria for family reunification. The website provides detailed information on who qualifies, including specific requirements for different types of family members. You will generally need to demonstrate that you have sufficient financial resources to support your family members and provide adequate housing. This means showing proof of income, savings, and a suitable living arrangement in Sweden. Step 2. Gather required documents. This step involves collecting all the necessary paperwork to support your application. Gather all the necessary documents, including your own residence permit, which is essential to prove your legal status in Sweden, marriage or birth certificates to prove your relationship with your family members, ensuring that the Swedish authorities can verify your familial ties, and financial documentation to demonstrate your ability to support them. This includes bank statements, employment contracts, and other relevant financial records. Step 3. Complete the online application. This is where you officially submit your request for family reunification. Access the online application form for family reunification on the Swedish Migration Agency's website. The form is user-friendly and guides you through each section. Fill out the form thoroughly and accurately, providing all the requested information. Double-check your entries to avoid any mistakes that could delay the process. Pay the application fee online. The fee is a necessary part of the application process and must be paid to proceed. Step 4. Await a decision. After submitting your application, the waiting period begins. This can be a time of anticipation and hope. Once you have submitted your application, the Swedish Migration Agency will review your case. Processing times can vary depending on the complexity of your application and the current workload of the agency. Keep track of your application status through your account on the agency's website. Regularly checking your status can help you stay informed and prepared for any additional steps. If approved, your family members will receive their residence permits to join you in Sweden. This moment marks the beginning of a new chapter where you can finally be together and start building your life in Sweden as a united family.